Here is this week's lineup of our beautifully restored AC1001 American changers. As you see, we have stands. Stands are optional for you. They are no charge. If you would like to pay the shipping on them, you get them free with the purchase of a machine. So we're going to start with number 1. I'm going to show you what's inside of it. As far as the goodies, this is a green display board, first generation green stripe hopper, and a Coinco BP4SX. So the prices reflect as far as the options they have. Number 2, green display board, green stripe hopper with hopper extension, and a 2712 MEI validator. So this is probably the latest model one. Number 3 has the original meter board. This is the earliest one. Those are workhorses. It's got a black hopper, probably a Mark IV, and a Mag 50B on new currency. So that's number 3. Number 4 has got a red digit display board as well. It's got the black hopper with the see-through plastic stripe, but we want to be careful not to call this a green stripe. And a Mag 50B validator. And last but not least, number 5. This has a red display board, the 5 digits. It's got a black hopper and Mag 50B, and of course they're all on new currency. They all take 1s through 20s. Reconditioned nicely, all new fronts. And like I said, the stands, if you want to stand with it, the shipping might be 40 bucks to you, but the stands are free. So I will put a link to our site and we will get them posted just as soon as possible. You may inquire as far as pricing goes. I will get to that shortly. Doug at Doug's World Tour, looking at the AC lineup. Out.